You got a longer extension? Good morning.
Hello.
Welcome.
New car.
Welcome to the different car.
Just want to do a quick intro before we've already started digging into it. But basically, we've got my girlfriend's car here, the MK4 Clio RS, and we've got a big old ITG induction kit to fit.
Big old boy.
So we're going to be fitting that today. So yeah, we'll try and make it a quickish video. But the last time we did an induction kit, it ended up being 5 hours. Well, 2, but yeah, I'll check in with you in a bit.
So, Harvey got a socket set for his birthday. Here he is now using it for the first time. Wait there a minute. Oh, go on, show me something. Oh,
the amount of socket sets I've got now. What the Amazon basic one, an Northern Advance, an NHS one.
that makes it look so easy, mate. That was so stiff. That socket makes it so easy, that ratchet. Oh, lift it. Let's get your hand under there. If you need assistance, let me know.
Little vacuum.
Whatever that is. Right, in the comments, will someone please tell us what that does to the batteries? Because for some reason we call it a battery vacuum line. It's on every one of our cars. We don't know what it does.
Oh wait, this needs to be unplugged.
That unclip.
It's doing something. Oh yeah, it is a push down and pull.
Yeah, if you get a little screwdriver.
I'll be trying to breaking it.
Yeah. I don't want to be in charge of that, but it does look like that. That's the option. Let me get your screwdriver. Well, you're always in the mood. Need a bigger one than that. Bigger one than that. Where's my big flathead gone?
Oh, I got it.
Ah, nice.
Alright.
Oh.
Fucking it.
Come on. You got a sleeve, you must be strong.
It's like trapped on something. Is it trapped on here? No. Ah, 1 minute.
Oh, it's a big boy.
That's bloody heavy battery.
It's got it. Is it stop-start?
Yeah.
There you go.
Right, what gloves on? Oh no.
Mine are in my car. I can put mine on.
Oh yeah. Right, I think we're going to do these.
Batteries.
Just refer to the instructions quickly.
Every time we take a battery tray out, there's problems.
Right, so
Oh.
that thing from where it goes into the slam panel, we'll just put that. To remove the airbox, there's a bolt there. That needs to come out. It's like a
It's a big boy.
14.
Yes, maybe. No, maybe 12.
It's a fucking 10, mate.
What? Why does it look so big? It's weird, isn't it?
It's a 10 on a Renault.
It's weird.
That looks massive. This kit's got a big wash thing on it. This isn't as good as the kit instruction, it's just writing. You don't have to have pictures.
Yeah, it's like we did mine, remember?
Yeah.
And that bloody PDF. Just looking at that PDF.
What way round does the hose go?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, that's fucking easy, that.
Yeah, slide it out.
It's like mine where it was just
Yeah.
barely holding on by anything. There's something in the bottom. It's no long grommets. I won't do that. Jubilee was going to be an 8. An 8 or a 7?
Mine was 7.
I'll try an 8 for this. Oh, I'd prefer it right way around.
He's getting used to his new tools.
It's fucking 7.
Well, they share something.
Well, these are actually sorting out sizes stuff.
Yeah, just by eyeballing it. Instead of having to bring toolkit and measure them all up. I need a long extension to get a good crank on it. Would you phone like to go in there? Ooh, that's a very good shot, mate.
This is a little extension.
A couple of months ago would have been, that's it, job's over. I'd be like, we're going.
So we didn't have a T50 or a T45.
We had nothing.
We got stuck at that battery tray bolt. How's it secured down here? Is it just in a...
You need me to hold this while you, to get a wiggle.
Oh, it just pulls out. Oh, mate. Everything... Oh, this needs to come off, doesn't it? Yeah.
It's not tight. It's not loose enough, I don't think.
It's very loose, though. It has got clips, So sometimes
let me put the camera down for 1 second. Oh fuck. Don't want to leave it there. It's going to be a good moment though, I don't want to miss it. Oh no, what do I do? Oh, we got it. Not panicked.
Fucking hell, this is a big fuck off air, look.
Yeah, move that way.
Oh, it's our new air filter.
The battery might need to come out for this so you can slide it past, remember? After that it was battery.
It said take this out first though. It's the right angle, hold on. It's just got half the finger. There we go. Started. Ah. Stay there.
We're efficient, aren't we? So next job is the battery harness.
Have you got any
I'm going to be careful.
have you got any snips?
Yes.
Because of the cable tie. So now just removing the battery tray. Which is very easy with these lovely Halfords Advanced tools.
Sponsored.
Look at that, you can just do that. Oh, it's lovely, mate.
I put this over here.
Oh.
I put this in here
Yeah.
with the battery stuff.
I know what for. There you go, you can do the last one.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Use the tools.
Oh, thanks, sir. Oh, it's floppy, isn't it?
Lovely. What, you got a little grip there?
Oh. Bigger the drive, the easier it is. Look at this.
Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a minute when we wrestle this battery tray out.
Wrestle. So, quick update, guys, whereabouts we are. We're still in the process of removing the battery tray. Don't know if Harvey wants to explain the amount of duct tape that Renault's had to use under there.
There's still some on now. There's basically duct tape where we've duct taped it to the plastic there and there where you can still have to cut it off. Because there's no way of getting that out if not. Because you have to literally move this whole harness. And it's also... it's still stuck to
Still
something
stuck.
at the
Oh,
bottom.
for God's sake. If I jack it up.
See what?
Does it need a bit of yanking?
I'm not sure.
If in doubt, yank it out.
There's like this... oh, 1 minute. Oh, is that hose there? Look, there we go. It's like in a groove.
Yeah. Oh, it's as tight as mine down there. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm having flashbacks, mate. I'm having flashbacks. I'm going to start swearing at each other in a minute. I can see it.
I don't know how to get this off. They said that doesn't have to come off, but I think it does.
Screwdriver might help.
I don't think that's what's holding it on. The annoying thing is, in the instruction, it only tells us to remove these 3 bolts. We're about to have to remove that.
ITG tell lies, we've had this experience before. Well then, we'll do the shot again, a great shot. We'll recreate that. Oh, the sun glare as well makes it look sick. You have to look what you're doing through the camera.
No.
It's like playing on it.
There we go. That's why it felt like it were being held on by a bolt.
Because it was.
It was.
Thank you, ITG.
So it's not held on by 3 bolts. Fucking stupid pricks. I'm going to stick it through here.
There you go, there you go. There you go, just the top bit. There you go.
There's a fair bit of space in this car.
Look at that room, Jesus Christ.
What the fuck is that? Oh. Ah.
That's where that little thing plugs
I
into.
think so, yeah.
That's why it was just dangling. There we go.
Oh, okay.
No, because the battery sits in there. How's it do that? Oh, underneath. Does it go underneath and wrap round? Is it long enough to do that?
I don't know what this is for.
In the comment section, please tell us why the battery tray's got a hose on it.
Yeah, it just literally sits down there. Is it literally just for breathing?
I want to Google it now.
Before we fucking forget that, to relocate this negative terminal. Alright, negative terminal. Right, it's there, look. Why can't it stay down there though?
The RTG might be in the way, it might blow out.
Where's it gonna go to?
Was it on the battery, on itself? Was it?
I don't know.
I can't remember the picture.
So we've done some, well, predicamenting. What the fucking word is for that? It looks like off of this negative from the battery, we need to take this second bolt down there, which you can see where the socket's on, and then relocate it onto that.
Red to red.
We thought it was the green and white one, green and yellow one at first. That looks like an earth, but this one's the earth off of the negative terminal, which on the pictures looks like is what they've done. So we're just gonna fucking send it. So yeah, right. So that's the new earth relocated there from there, as you can see. I'm gonna screw the original bolt back on there, so we don't lose it in case I have problems. But I believe that's how it should be. It looks right. Looks like the pictures. So just gonna put the plate in now.
Goody boy.
Okay, so the battery has been fitted now. There's spaces that go under the bolt. Try and get it.
Don't stop tightening with it.
There. And then it's a bit awkward. It's better with two people. And then Dave's just tightening them up now. That bolt's not got a thing, has it?
No, it's different. You got
another one.
You got one that's similar.
Oh, do you?
You did have 4, yeah, that's one.
Oh no, that's a normal one. I
Oh.
wonder if one of them doesn't have it. Oh, is that one supposed to be there then? Possibly. Right, we've got two bolts that are different. I think that one needs to go there.
Or is this just a random spare one that doesn't really matter?
No, because the battery's going to sit here, innit? That's why they're like that.
Okay, okay.
Right, so
Oh,
you make
God.
sure the ones that Allen key bolts need to be there. You don't need to do it. I don't need to lose spaces. I'll do
I
it.
got my finger on it. I'll let you do it. Here we go, boys and girls. The time is to come.
Yeah, we actually got a spare intake part because the guy sent it.
Oh, it says ITG in it, mate. That's such a sick picture.
Yeah, it says it in the middle.
Ooh. Oh. Spare intake pipe. It's time for the whoosh.
Hello.
Oh.
Right, so we've rotated that, just loosen that Jubilee clip with David's fancy tool of that.
Bendy extension for the win.
And then,
It's like one of them Typhoon ones you can buy and eat, them fucking CBC, CDC, BCD. You need some resistance from me.
might loosen it a bit more.
Loosen it, mate. You just gotta loosen it a bit more.
I think it's on. If it's a standard intake, it's never gonna be perfect. And that's it there.
Mate, where's that suck from? Where's that suck from?
Just there.
Is there a duct? So do you reattach the secondary air duct that came in there?
No,
No, it's just that.
I don't think so. I think it's just
Madness.
that. And then there's this bit.
Look at that.
I'll tighten all the bits to it, so.
Oh, I'll get a shot. Just
Tighten the wall first. Oh, fuck. Problem is, mate, I'm going to tighten it when I can't fucking. It might be easier now.
what's that?
Because the Jubilee clip's up the bottom. So I can just get my hand around.
So we've just done the most satisfying bit of the job. Fitting that round there was lovely.
Yeah, it's a nice good old stretch out. Mate, that is fucking huge. That was going to kill me.
Oh! Oh!
Alright, just check we've not missed anything else out. I think we just fit the battery and that's it.
Took it away.
There you go. We'll sort it in a bit.
Very good.
induction kit third. It's actually a different day now because we ran out of clothing time yesterday, so I had to rush off for vaccination.
Yeah.
COVID days.
COVID.
It's all working fine, no problems. They're really easy to get out there today. No problem. We came across, so the only scary thing we're moving the earth wire, but it's
And cutting them bloody cable ties.
Yeah, we've got loads of pushing up, so I'll try and make it very clear what we did. But yeah, it sounds sick. I'm sure I'd have put a montage in here by now with the sounds. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.